Bitcoin flat at $69,000 as rate fears grow before FOMC CPI. Solana and Litecoin sees a surge in active addresses. US spot Bitcoin ETF sees $65 million in net outflows ending 19-day inflow streak. Suriname presidential candidate wants El Salvador-style Bitcoin adoption. US FTC warns consumers to rise in pig butchering crypto scams. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitcoin price stayed nearly flat on Tuesday after a sharp fall over the weekend saw the cryptocurrency pull back from recent highs with focus squarely on more key signals on US interest rates. The world's largest cryptocurrency had pushed as high as $72,000 last week, coming within spitting distance of record highs hit in March. But it then saw a heavy dose of profit-taking and weakness from Friday after the dollar rebounded. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 3.6% at 85,000 points. Interestingly, before the Fed rate decision, consumer price index inflation data is also due later in the week. The reading is expected to show inflation remaining well above the Fed's 2% annual target, giving the central bank little confidence to begin trimming rates. High for longer rates bode poorly for Bitcoin and broader cryptocurrencies, given that the sector usually benefits from increased liquidity and loose lending conditions. In other news, crypto investment products saw nearly $2 billion in inflows last week, extending a 5-week streak to over $4.3 billion, asset manager CoinShares said in a report. Trading volumes in ETP surged to $12.8 billion for the week, a 55% increase from the previous week. Bitcoin led the way with inflows of over $1.97 billion, while Ether experienced its best week since March with nearly $70 million in inflows. However, the 11 US spot Bitcoin exchange traded funds or ETF experienced a daily net outflow of $64.93 million on Monday, ending their longest inflow streak of 19 days. Moreover, Grayscale's GBTC led the pack in outflows this week, totaling $40 million, while other funds also saw investor redemptions, with Invesco and Galaxy Digital's BTCO experiencing net outflows of $20 million. The global crypto market cap was at $2.45 trillion mark, decreasing 3% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 62% to $86 billion. Meanwhile, crypto firm Ripple is partnering with the National Bank of Georgia to digitize the local economy. The collaboration builds on the previous partnership with the NBG and Ripple, where the latter served as the technological partner for the NBG's pilot CBDC project called the Digital Lari. Moving on, Athena USDE is a stablecoin. The token still holds significant impact in the altcoin market and most especially in the Athena Labs ecosystem. Recently, the stablecoin climbed above $3 billion after beginning a bullish ascent from $2.41 billion on the 18th of May. Furthermore, Notcoin, a play-to-earn game on Telegram, has reached 40 million players despite claims of third-party tools miscalculating the number of players due to incorrect parameters. The platform is currently trading at $0.0185, an increase of 5% in the past 24 hours and 210% in the past 14 days. US stock futures traded lower as investors await the start of June's Federal Reserve policy meeting. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures fell 0.15%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures both dropped 0.1%. Bitcoin was trading at $67,140, down by 3.2%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 4.3%, trading at $3,515. Well, next on the list, we have Binance's BNB token. It was down by 5.6% to trade at $608. Solana's SOL was down 4.1% and was trading at $153. Cardano's ADA token was down by 2.3% to trade at $0.42. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $32, lower by 2.2%. Polygon's Matic token was trading down by 0.7% to trade at $0.64. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 3% at $0.14. Well, if we talk about Shiba Inu, it was trading down by 4.5%, and Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.48, down by 2.2%. At the same time, Polkadot was down by 2% to trade at $6.4.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The number of active addresses for Solana and Litecoin has increased significantly, indicating that prices may rise. Solana, which is recognized for its speedier network performance and reduced transaction prices, has approximately 41.65 million active addresses, more than Ethereum's 15.38 million. The amount of developers joining and remaining on the network has also risen, making it an appealing cryptocurrency to invest in. Litecoin has also seen a huge surge in network activity and active addresses, with the latter increasing by 75% to its highest level since January and exceeding Ethereum by more than 100,000. The Litecoin network has also seen a significant surge in transactions, with 426,000 being recorded. However, the price of Litecoin has not lived up to expectations, with Bitcoin increasing by 170% and LTC only 4%. The 11 US spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds experienced a daily net outflow of $64.93 million on Monday, ending their longest inflow streak of 19 days. Grayscale's GBTC led the pack in outflows, with this week totaling $40 million. Other funds also saw investor redemptions, with Invesco and Galaxy Digital's BTCO experiencing net outflows of $20 million. Valkyrie's Bitcoin ETF reported net outflows of $16 million, and Fidelity's FBTC saw its first negative flows since May 2nd. BlackRock's IBIT, the largest spot Bitcoin ETF in terms of net assets, recorded net inflows of $6 million, while Bitwise's BITB recorded $8 million of inflows. The record-setting 19-day inflow streak ended last Friday, accumulating over $4 billion in net inflows. Since their inception in January, the 11 spot Bitcoin ETFs have logged a total net inflow of $15.62 billion. Suriname presidential candidate Maya Barbho plans to grant Bitcoin legal tender status if elected, following El Salvador's lead in adopting the token. Barbho believes that El Salvador and its president Nayib Bukele demonstrated the ability to fight against global powers by adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. She hopes to win office in Suriname's 2025 elections and replace the Surinamese dollar with Bitcoin. El Salvador adopted Bitcoin as legal tender in September 2021, and Barbho aims to diversify the economy using innovation and position the country as a global leader in technology. She believes the conditions for Bitcoin adoption in Suriname are perfect, with high IT literacy and connectivity. The US Federal Trade Commission is warning consumers about the rise in pig butchering scams or romance scams involving cryptocurrency investments. Pig butchering, originating in Southeast Asia, is a slow-burning long-term fraud that targets people online searching for their victims using dating and social media sites. Scammers build a connection with the victim and gain trust, leading to the fattening up of the pig process and then stealing cryptocurrency or money. Over the years, romance scams have resulted in significant financial losses amounting to millions. The FTC warns that scammers want your money quickly and may steer you to gift cards, payment apps, money wiring companies, or even cryptocurrency. In May, the Canadian Anti-Fraud Centre warned about a surge in crypto scams targeting Canadian citizens, including pig butchering or romance scams and investment scams. The FBI's Internet Crime Complaint Center has received over 4,300 complaints related to pig butchering, with cumulative losses surpassing $400 million. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Now let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have XRP. Cryptocurrency firm Ripple is partnering with the National Bank of Georgia to digitize the local economy. Natya Truwana, acting governor of the NBG, and Valam and Walam, head of the bank's Financial and Supervisory Technology Development Department, announced the meeting on LinkedIn. Wallace, who is also Ripple's Vice President of Central Bank Engagements, introduced the Georgian officials to Alistair Brown, a representative of Ripple's partner EPAM Systems. The collaboration builds on the previous partnership between the NBG and Ripple, where the latter served as a technological partner for the NBG's pilot CBDC project called the Digital Lari. Next on the list, we have NotCoin. NotCoin, a play-to-earn game on the Telegram, has reached 40 million players despite claims of third-party tools miscalculating the number of players due to incorrect parameters. The platform is currently trading at $0.01, an increase of 5% in the past 24 hours and 210% in the past 14 days. The Not token hit an all-time high of $0.02 earlier this month, soaring past the $2.75 billion mark. Players have earned $1.5 million in TON across 20 campaigns, and the team expects the figures to increase significantly once automated campaigns go live. Next on the list, we have Floki Inu. Floki Inu, a meme coin project, has reached a historic user count milestone, marking its fast-growing global ecosystem. With 417,000 holders on the BNB chain, Floki is now offering holders the opportunity to claim Floki interest rewards shares. Unique strategies such as its tokenization project TokenFi, known for its intense token burning, may contribute to the project's growth. Floki is cautious about keeping supply tight to avoid impacting prices. Floki was up by 2.68% in the last 24 hours. The meme coin project also plans to make its presence felt in India by building schools to enhance education in developing countries. Floki is inviting interested NGOs in India to partner on this initiative to ensure the speedy accomplishment of its mission. Next on the list, we have Athena USDE. Athena USDE is a stablecoin, and the token still holds significant impact in the altcoin market, and most especially in Athena Labs ecosystem. Recently, the stablecoin climbed about $3 billion after beginning a bullish ascent from $2.41 billion on May 18th. The quick ascent has been likened to Solana's recent momentum, drawing stablecoin investors to consider this token among the best cryptos to buy. However, not only is Athena USDE token almost immune to high volatility, its market capitalization increase also signals more investors' interest and increased network activity in the market. Last on the list, we have TonCoin. Travela.com has partnered with TonCoin to expand its service offerings, allowing users to book from over 2.2 million hotels in 230 countries, access 600 airlines, and enjoy 410,000 events globally. This collaboration not only broadens the practical uses of TON tokens, but also aligns with Travela.com's vision of fostering a decentralized travel economy. Travela.com now supports over 100 cryptocurrencies, including TON, and reinforcing its commitment to inclusivity and technological advancements in the travel sector. CEO Juan Otero expressed enthusiasm for the partnership, highlighting its potential to contribute to the growth and robustness of the crypto community. The strategic integration encourages wider acceptance and utilization of cryptocurrencies in everyday transactions, showcasing the practical benefits and future potential of cryptocurrencies in enhancing user experiences.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.